Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am Jesus S. De Los Santos from BS Criminology 2. So your question, ma'am, is what are the most important concepts or lessons you gain from this subject? So for me, the most important concept or lessons that I gain from this subject is all about ethics. So as what you said, ma'am, ethics is all about what is right and wrong, or good or bad. So by by learning about ethics, I have a lot of learning that ethics is very important to know in order we deeply know about what is right and wrong. So how did this learning change your thinking, perspective, or behavior? So for me, ma'am, it can change my thinking, perspective, or behavior. For example, your teacher said that you have a exam tomorrow, but you didn't hindi so yung guro mo nagsabi na may exam kayo bukas, but ikaw hindi ka nag-aral, so dapat nag-aral ka. So instead na mag-aral ka, ginawa mo, gumawa ka ng kodigo in order nga na may na may na may sagot ka bukas. So dumating na yung exam, so ginawa mo doon ng cheat ka, tapos nung nalaman mo na there na nalaman mo nung nalaman mo na may ethics, so nalaman mo na ethics is to know what is right and wrong. So sa susunod na exam, hindi ka na gumawa ng kodigo. Instead you cheat, you na nag-aral ka na in order na may fairness ba. So how will you apply this learning in real life? So for me, ma'am, I apply this learning in real life by respecting other people all culture in our society because we have different beliefs. So for example, like Muslims, then di lang sa culture, then sa religions. So we have different beliefs. We all know that ethics is very important in order to have respect in other people. So we have different belief. For example, Muslims, then Christians. So Muslims are pwede sila na makapangasawa ng marami kapag may isusustenso sila sa kanilang mga asawa. So sa ating mga Christian, so dapat isa lang ang ating pwedeng maasawa. So dapat we have to know first before we we have to know first that we have different beliefs. So that's why we respect other person or in our society, and I thank you. That's all, ma'am.